fixturemate is so easy. Anyone can do it.
I 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 can do it.
Even I can do it.
I'm Katie, a senior marketing specialist here at Purple, and I keep hearing about how fixturemate is so easy to use. So I thought I'd see if that's true. I've never used it before. In fact, I hardly even know how to use GrabCAD. So this will be the ultimate test. Cameron, one of our engineers here, gave me a brief tutorial. So let's see if I can apply what I learned to this video. Okay, let's get into it. So first, we are going to look on the right-hand side of the menu, and we're going to click on fixturemate right there, kind of towards the top. Cool, okay, now that it's loaded, I'm going to import my workpiece. Awesome, okay. So with this workpiece, I want to orient it so that it's horizontal. So I'm gonna do that. It's really simple to move this around, very intuitive. Perfect, okay. And then I'm gonna wanna bring it down just a little bit. Okay, maybe that was a little too much. So I'm gonna probably move it back up just a little bit. I want enough room for my supports. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to pick a panel. I'm going to do the perforated panel. And I'm just going to change the dimensions just a little bit. I'm going to change the width to 16.5 inches and the depth I'm going to increase to 5.75 inches. And I'm going to change the mounting hole distance to 0.25 and the diameter to 0.5 inches. Submit. Perfect. Now I'm going to create the supports. I'm going to choose a cylindrical support for the top of my workpiece, just because it has a more round shape to it. And then I'm going to click the center, and I'm just going to drag it just a little bit so that the workpiece is in the center of the support. Okay, and now I'm going to choose a rectangular one for the bottom part. You're just going to click and drag it out. And then if I wanted to go back in and like change the shape or the length or whatever, I can do that. I can move the wall in. Okay, so as you can see, my support isn't fully touching my workpiece, so I'm going to bring that up. I can also do it manually. Over here on the left-hand side, I can type in the height that I would like. Perfect. I want them to be aligned, or else my part is going to be slanted. Now I need some mounting features, so I just click on it and then select the mounting holes. I'm going to do them diagonally. And then again with the other support, I'm just going to click mounting, and I am choosing these two holes. Cool. Now I'm going to subtract the workpiece. And then I'm going to hide the workpiece so that I can see where it's been carved out of the support, so that now I know the workpiece will fit perfectly into the fixture after they're printed. Add it back in, and now I'm going to add the clamp. There's a ton to choose from, but at Purple, we're gonna go with the Destaco 202. Just click right in the center of the workpiece, and it will automatically just load on. And as you can see here, it's in an unideal location. So I am going to move it over. Just click and move it. Move it just a little bit more. Awesome. Then I'm just gonna push it out just a little bit so that it's not really interfering with my workpiece. Looks good. Now I want to add mounting features to this as well. finish. And voila, look at that. It's so simple. Next, click Set Label, and I'm gonna just type in fixture and then set the position. I click and I drag and I click again and it just shows up. And I can also do like a debossed, embossed label by just adjusting the depth and height right here on the left. Now I'm gonna add a cutout. I'm gonna do a sphere, set position. I'm going to set it right down here towards the bottom of my part. This is just to show that I can have an easy finger access to the workpiece. Next, save material. Okay, so I'm going to hollow out the fixtures, but first I'm going to hide the perforated panel, and now I'm going to click Create Hollow Fixture. Now what that's going to do is it's going to hollow out the infill of the support structure, and it's going to turn out as like a honeycomb structure, as you can see there. It's still sturdy, but it's going to save me a lot of material and a lot of printing time as well. All right, and now I'm ready to export the fixture back into GrabCAD Print Pro. I'm going to save and close this fixturemate file in case I need to return to it to make any edits. All of my fixture components are ready to be printed.
Look, I did it. It really is that easy, and now you can do it too. If you have any questions or want a free trial, please reach out to us and we'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching 30 on 3D.